Doon si bagong request sa mga mo. Performance task in seafood. Number 2, scale, clean, fillet, and cook one fish. Video the process and send it to the drive. Oh. Ano, Facebook mo na ko yan? Ay, mo Facebook sa do. Oo, sa grado. Hindi sa kong owner. Lagi mga to naman na yan. Here are the 10 varieties of seafood. 1. Fish. A healthy source of protein found in oceans and rivers. Example, tuna, salmon, tilapia. Crab has a hard shell and sweet tender meat inside. Example, steamed blue crab. 4. Lobster. A luxury seafood known for a juicy meat. Example, boiled lobster with butter. 5. Squid. Chewy seafood often cooked as a calamari. Example, fried calamari rings. 6. Octopus. Soft and flavorful, usually grilled or boiled. 7. Clams. Shellfish used in soup and pasta. Example, clam chowder. 8. Oysters. Oysters can be eaten raw or cooked, known for their rich flavor. Example, fresh oyster with lemon. 9. Mussels. Black shelled seafood with soft, savory meat. Example, steamed mussel in garlic sauce. 10. Scallops. Sweet and tender shellfish, often pan-seared. Example, seared scallops with butter. Nakumuha na din ako ang 10 varieties of seafood. Ma'am, kita yun na, explain yun ako. Na-explain o ginatagan ako example.
Aray ko.
Yeah. Kasi gana mo request dia, comment lang mo sa comment section. O click lang sa kong bio. And like and subscribe. Wala na mo kami request. Matug na ko ha.